I smoking out pal beans.
Happy Tuesday. So yesterday I went a little wake. One of our neighbor's son died and he had kidney failure. So you know his parents. I did a video a time a good while where Uncle Dennis went by them and they make some smoker and pie. So that was his parents' side, my neighbors. So I went in the week and it's a long one. I then had black coffee. So I find the black coffee just so good, like so long I hadn't had hung wing. So I was with my mother said, Ma, you know long time you used to make a little tea for me when I went to work. I do right anymore. So this morning she gave me a cup of black coffee. She put it in a teacup, but I said she no, give me in a plastic cup because it's way better than the cup holder. So thanks mommy for the black coffee. Hung wing. I love it too bad. So I start up the morning again. Well, I already think in the week, they had pulori, they had cheese paste, they had banana bread. Wednesday the funeral. That's the thing about life, you never know, right? What to do, boy? Anything can happen. Having a nice passat doubles. Today, what is the plan today? Actually, I have no plans today, so I might just go home, relax. I clean the car and last year I went to the beach. So I might do that lunchtime today. And relax with them children and I might pass it back in the week.
Choose your lunch. So we have a little fried rice, some macaroni salad, fresh salad, and this look like shark. A little pineapple. Not too bad, nice, simple lunch. I think it will do the job. I'm gonna dig in. Try the rice. Can I do a little pepper soy with this food? What's standard rice? I'm missing something. I don't know. Macaroni salad. Can't go wrong with macaroni salad. Macaroni salad good. I think it's shark. Let me see. That is yours. Shark real good. The shark, the food was alright, but the shark, look up buying this food to make it taste fabulous. So I'm gonna continue my eating, guys. See what happens later. Happy Tuesday. Yes, guys, so I reached home and I'm cooking up a stew. I'm gonna stew some chicken. And what I'm gonna do again here? I'm gonna stew some chicken. I like Leah cooking. So I think it's stewed chicken, baked beans, and we have no macaroni, we have spaghetti. So spaghetti macaroni pie, I think that is. So we'll see how that goes. This is Leah spaghetti macaroni. Leah, this one go in the oven? What is it?
If you want it, we can eat it so.
They looking nice. And share this stewed chicken. What do you have in the oven? You have some in the oven? Wait, that's like the oven?
Yeah.
Are we still doing baked beans?
Yeah.
Oh, we got some nice baked beans. Looking delicious. And I'm going to take out the liver from the pot. I'm going to eat that. We're about to make some quick baked beans. I think sometimes I like baked beans more than normal red beans. It tastes so good. Nice. Beautiful dinner. So, I'm going back and relax with the kids and
When I come back, I think food will be done. Beans done, almost done cooked. The stew chicken finished cooked, and the pie bacon. We finally finished cooked. As I said, we run out of macaroni. So, Leah, what do you use here again?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Normal thing,
So the kids already get their food. We always get the kids first. Nice piece of meat. Check it out. Looking amazing. Real hot. What are we getting all the time?
Beans, beans.
Of course, all the beans. Check out the beans. Beans come out. Amazing. Lovely. Good meal. I just do quick meal. Yeah, let's do this kind of meal, guys. I don't know when Leah home, I idea to watch her. When Leah not home, it's just me. She moving she hungry. And I just shoot chicken. I buy this chicken fresh today. I chicken, you know, but to come home and defrost and chop up, I just pass in the depot and I buy a fresh chicken. This
Much
is
piece you want?
about 3 pieces. Give me the chicken foot now. I'm feeling the tough foot today. Nice. We have no hot pepper, guys. So I guess I'll take a little bit of pepper sauce. Nice. I'm gonna taste this food. Yes, guys. Sorry, I already started eating. This is Leah's famous food. I tell you, macaroni pie is so hot. Check it out. Real hot. Everything. I just mixing up everything. A little pepper. A little bit of beans. Try to get the perfect bite. Baby eating. My God. Wow. My God. Eh, was kind of special this food is in. Just so nice. Nice piece of chicken. Amazing, me guys. And that was the end of daily vlogs and videos. Now finish enjoy this food. And we out. Bye bye. So guys, out the week I get some cheese paste, some biscuit, some sweet bread, and some black coffee. Hot.